Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see 10 lines on my garden. My garden is a special place with many plants. I have flowers in different colors like red, yellow and blue. There are also vegetables like carrots and tomatoes. I water the plants to help them grow. I like to watch the butterflies and bees visit the flowers. Sometimes I see birds sitting on the garden fence. I help pick the ripe vegetables when they are ready. There is a small path where I can walk and play. My garden is a fun place where I can enjoy nature. I feel happy when I spend time in my garden. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.